Cables secured. Hydraulic mounts locked.
Acknowledged. Maintain position. We are stable.
Crane moving to position 3. Confirming connection on the yellow line, boss. Watch the swell. We've got a heavy impact coming.
We're losing the submersible track in this chop.
The current is pulling harder than expected at 500 meters. We need to adjust the deployment coordinates now.
All right, bring her out slowly.
Roger that. Swinging port. Watch the cables. We got heavy seas.
Weather window is closing. We lift now.
Copy that. Engaging hydraulics.
The window is critical. T-minus 5 minutes to collapse.
Understood. All teams, prep for immediate deployment.
Hold tension.
Forward stabilizer secured, sir.
Watch the swell. Watch the swell.
Hatch secure. Proceeding with dive sequence.
Copy that. Submersible.
Maintain heading 290.
The titanium hull strains as the submersible plunges deeper into the abyssal zone.
Diver 1, report status.
Approaching the structure now, Control. Sonar indicates significant damage.
We have visual on the cockpit, confirming extensive corrosion on the canopy frame.
Surface, we have eyes on the starboard engine damage.
Acknowledged, ROV-1. Proceed with inspection of the exhaust pedals.
Maintain current speed, pilot. We need a full assessment of the rear section before recovery ops begin.
Copy that, Control. Approaching the tail now.
Confirming visual on the zinc fragments and fuselage breach. Advise caution on the lower currents.
Roger. Maintaining course for full inspection.
Recovery arm 3 engaging target. Pressure stable.
Confirmed. Maintaining ascent speed.
Prepare for surfacing in 30 seconds. All hands brace for impact.
We are holding steady at 50% power.
Watch the tail section. It's shifting.
Copy that. Increasing stabilization power.
Stabilize the load. Stabilize. We are almost clear of the water. Crane, slow the ascent.
Keep the fuselage steady. Copy that. Watching the port side chain.
Lock the forward restraints. Forward restraints locked, Chief. Starboard chain secure.
All units, doors are secured. Begin transport sequence Alpha.
I repeat, begin sequence Alpha.
We have full power stabilized. Start initial assessment.
Roger, moving in.
Initial cleaning is successful. We're clear to begin phase 2.
Need a closer look at the intake runners.
Roger that. Moving to the starboard side.
Stand by for panel seal, section 4.
Copy that. Engaging torque wrench. All bolts secured. Green light.